making a call with Android.
All CaptionMate calls must be made from within the app. So first, open the CaptionMate app. It looks like this. There are 3 ways to make a call with CaptionMate. First, you can choose someone from your contact list. Second, you can use call history once you have made or received some calls. And finally, you can simply dial a number directly from the keypad.
Once you choose a contact, a number from the call history, or simply dial the number, the phone will confirm that you actually want to place a call, and you need to press Allow. Now, CaptionMate will use your normal cell phone dialing system to make the call. Press Speaker, and most importantly, press the CaptionMate pop-up notification to see the captions. A note: if you're not fast enough to press the pop-up notification, you can always just open the CaptionMate app manually to see the captions. Also, you may notice that the number that is shown on the screen is your CaptionMate number, not the number you actually dialed. This is expected, as the phone needs to connect to CaptionMate service first and knows the number that you're trying to connect to.
Once the call is being processed, CaptionMate shows you the call status. Now that the call is happening, you have several options. If the remote button is not pressed, you will only see what the other person is saying, or one side of the conversation. If the remote button is pressed, you see what the other person is saying, as well as what you're saying, or the whole conversation. You can turn this feature on and off during the call, depending on your preference. Next is the speaker button. It allows you to turn the speakerphone on or off while on a call. The keyboard button allows you to press an extension while on a call or navigate an automated phone system, such as your bank. After you have pressed the number you want, you can close the keypad by simply pressing the blue down arrow underneath the 0. To end the call, simply hang up. Now you know how to make a call. Please feel free to contact our support team if you have any questions. We're here to help.